In every language, there are some unique idioms. When you try to translate them one by one, they don't make sense. Today, I will teach you these special idioms you cannot find in any other source. So let's begin. Geçmiş olsun. Get well soon. Çok yaşa. God bless you. Sen de gör means you see too. We use this idiom when somebody says çok yaşa after sneezing. Yenge. Real meaning is the wife or brother, but we use it for the women to show them our respect as well. Eyvallah means accepted and approved, but we use it just in street conversations. You cannot use it in serious or official conversations. Hoppala. We use this idiom when we are in a case which we don't hope or want. You cannot use it in serious or official conversations. Yuh, oha. We use these words just on street and they are a little bit rude words. They are reactions to an event which is unacceptable. You cannot use it in serious or official conversations. Allah rahmet eylesin. God rest his soul. We use this idiom when a Muslim dies. Başın sağ olsun. We use this idiom when we encounter a person is in mourning. Plural or formal is başınız sağ olsun. Eline sağlık. We use this idiom when somebody made something successful. Nice mutlu yıllara. We use it to a person who has anniversary or birthday. Canın sağ olsun. No problem. Hoşça kal means bye, but we say it to the person who stays. Güle güle means bye, but we say it to the person who leaves. Naber, WhatsApp. We cannot use it in serious or official conversations. Thank you all for following our course. If you need help, have any comment or question, please don't hesitate to write me via comment. If you liked our course, please subscribe our channel, put like to our videos, and turn your notifications on. And also, please write us about your new video ideas. See you soon.